Hello guys, you welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming to this channel, I tell you a very big welcome. As a matter of fact, you're welcome. Don't forget that yes, right now the what is it called? The training that is coming on the 20th of this month, the 20th of this month, three trainings that very day, all right? The list is 5k, the list is 5k, and you will benefit so highly. So we have different type of training that is coming up, so just register now. We'll be teaching series of whitening products as well. Okay, then again, don't forget that we say organic recipes, ingredients, original one. Like the video I'm about to do now, I'm about talking about ozone and capella soap. Okay, but before then, I want to tell you, you want to buy all these ingredients or you want to buy cosmetic original ones, you can count on me. You can count on Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. From the bottom of my heart, we deliver everywhere. We ship everywhere. We ship through DHL, FedEx, and UPS, and some other companies that you don't know. But the thing is that wherever you are, we ship to you. Okay, in a quick one, I want to talk about Ozone soap and Kampala soap. The truth is, these two soap they are much alike, but people who don't know about them, some mistake them to be one, and the others differentiate them. Mostly those one with different colors. They talked about them like, oh, this one do this one is glowing because it's yellow ozone. Contain three different colors. So they say the yellow one is for glowing, and the blue one is for these. While the pink one is red, is whitening. Not at all. First of all, let me start with uh, the Kampala. The Kampala soap, you see, basically is still the same use. Are you getting it? Yes, the Kampala is basically is like a treatment soap, which all of them they are. They are all treatment soap. Yes. The Kapala one you see is a treatment soap that you can add to your soap when you're formulating. Whichever soap you're formulating, you can add to it. All right, you can add it to regulate every side effect, such as anti-inflammatory in your soap. All right, because the amount of the soap you creating determines the amount of the Kampala soap you go put. So when you put like one of it, which is put one bar of it or the shape it is, you just slice into two, or you put one of it inside. That determines what you're gonna get. So the question when you asked was that, can you use it directly on your body? Oh no, don't use it direct on your body, because I saw a video when people say, hey, you can use it, it helps. It doesn't help you at all. Don't use it on your body. Use it to create another soap. It's a formula. It repair your skin. Yes. It's a healing soap. Yes. It's a anti-inflammatory. Yes. It controls a lot of things. Right. Take away pimples. Yes. But the thing is, use it in the right way so that it will not harm yourself. Although it's not harsh like the ozone, all right. But using it that way, it might create some other side effect for you. They're not going to tell you about all these things because they just want to sell, sell, sell. So that is it. So now, how about when I tell you that if you're using it, you should use it with precaution, take caution on it. Use it wisely. Make sure that it should not over the soap, the formula of the soap you want to make. It should be a bit of it, right? So because I just want you to get the benefit, not to destroy your skin. So that is what I mean about that. Okay, that is that. We'll come back to that. If you want me to go deep on it, you can come chat me up on my WhatsApp. How about I tell you about the ozone? The ozone soap you see, yes, ozone soap you see can be of different color, but basically it's been made of out of all other organics material solutions that form up that ozone. If you want to know much, I will still go deep, but here let me tell you what it does. Okay, ozone basically is anti-inflammatory, all right, and also you can use it for the skin as your abrasion, right? You can use it. When I mean abrasion, you can use it to remove you can like it scrape away all kind of inflammatory in your body. You will get new body, all right. So then again, it's a healing soap, all right. So it's a soap that you can use to make, so it's like the same, it's like the same as the Kampala, but only this one is high version of that, all right, because of the acid in it, all right. Yes, it can whiten your body. It's not that's all. The question about this that you can use on your face. It's never advisable to use on your skin directly unless when it's being recommended to you, and that should be occasionally. Other than that, it's not advisable to use on your body. Rather, it should be used to formulate your soap because it's going to help you. It's going to make your soap to have the full, what's it called? The full, uh, 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 the full work he's supposed to have, like the full solution. You're looking for a solution. You want your soap to clear rashes, pimples. You want it to clear a lot of things, inflammation from the body. You want it to all this acne skin. It's very good for any acne skin. And if you know your skin is acne skin, oh, ozone soap is very good. So basically, for those of us who have acne skin, when your skin, like you always have some reaction from your skin, it's very good, but not to use directly. You see? So the question you asked the other day, that can it be used on face? That's why I say it can even be used on your skin directly, not to talk about your face. So how much soap you want to produce determines also how much ozone soap you gotta put. So notice that this ozone soap, if you're using it on your skin, you're exposing your skin to damage automatically, some way or the other, at any time. That is not going to tell you is today, but don't use it directly because it's highly acidic. Are you getting it? So please have this in mind when you want to. It's very good in formulation. When you're formulating soap, is very good. Make sure you put it. It works a lot. As for working, it works a lot. So have this in mind. From henceforth, when you want to use it, always have all this I've said in mind. It's good, but it has a limit. All right. So for those of you who want to buy organic recipe, you can count on us. We sell all that also, and we ship everywhere: US, UK, Canada, Asia country, just name it. All right. So the class that is coming up on the 20th, we have 3 classes that day for the training. The least class is 5,000. All right. So don't forget. Make sure you be part of us. Okay, because it's gonna be awesome online on WhatsApp. All right. So if you want one-on-one training, also you can contact us. So don't forget. And Austin Global Logistic also, we ship everywhere. So keep this in your heart that ozone soap is good, but don't use it direct on your skin. So bye bye.